ladies and gentlemen, we're on to another adventure. We're going to Rock Island State Park here in Middle Tennessee. We're going to go do some hiking on some trails, catch some waterfalls. So if you ever get a chance, you should definitely come check this out. Rock Island is absolutely beautiful.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
The moves for those who.
My time, leave me 6 feet deep in God's country. I saw the light in the sunrise, sitting back in the 40 on a muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of the big foundation, whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. I saw the light in the sunrise, sitting back in the 40 on a muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of the big foundation, whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.
Works better than I thought it would. So if you hear the sirens, obviously in the background, they're releasing water from the dam here at the Caney Fork entrance into Center Hill Lake, particularly because we may or may not have significant rainfall coming this afternoon. Yesterday, Chattanooga, which is about an hour south of where we are, literally got right around 7 inches of rain in a very short period of time and created significant flooding. So, see what we can find out. Yeah, I'd say they're going to be opening the dam here before too long. They already have, I think, one floodgate that's open, but they blare the sirens. That way, if people are in the water where we are, they can get out. Because if you don't, chances are it'll probably end up pretty bad for you. Entering this is one of the areas that we live relatively close by. To be able to come here and see this, I mean, it's absolutely magnificent. This is where the rivers underground come together and they push the water out the rock. And when it rains hard, it even flows harder. There's areas all over the place up here that normally aren't flowing. What you see right here usually I mean, not usually, it always is flowing right here. But then if you look over here, there's areas that are coming out of the rocks that normally don't, especially when it rains it does, but usually it's right here. But it's just so magnificent to be able to see this in person. I mean, this is one of the things that really sold us in that, you know, on the area of which we live here in Tennessee, to be able to come out here and see this anytime you want. I mean, the amount of peace that you feel from seeing this is just, your words don't really do it justice. We're recording right now. You don't mind being on camera if I ask you a couple questions, Dave? All right. How many gates are they planning on opening?
As far as I know, they're opening one up, but they're cracking maybe 1 or 2 more. It'll be about 16,000 CFS of water. The most water I've seen is 97,000. The water was all the way up here, like on the trail.
Oh.
So all this is underwater. It's actually just like a year and a half ago when Helene came through. Yeah, that's when all the dams in East Tennessee were breaking and everything was washing off the sides of mountains. We got a lot of rain here too. Yeah, we had the trail closed. The water was all the way kind of up here to this little sign. So all this is underwater.